with me, my dirty boy. Can't you see that you belong next to me? Hey, sexy boy, so different. Don't be so shy, play with me, my dirty boy. Can't you see? You are the one I need. Make me dance, bring me up, bring me down. Make me dance, bring me up, bring me down. Play it sweet, make me move like a freak. It's just like so big. I got my red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my hair up real big, beauty queen style. High heels off, I'm feeling alive. Oh my God, I feel it in the air. Telephone wires above are sizzling like a sled. Honey, I'm on fire. I feel it everywhere. Nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby, you the best. You the best. I got that summertime. I got that summertime. Summertime sadness. Summertime. Summertime sadness. Got that summertime. Summertime sadness. Whoa. I'm feeling electric tonight. Cruising down the coast, going about 99. Got my bad baby by my heavenly side. I know if I go, I'll die happy tonight. Oh my God, I feel it in the air. Telephone wires above are sizzling like a sled. Honey, I'm on fire. I feel it everywhere. Nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby, you the best. You the best. I got that summertime. I got that summertime. Summertime sadness. Summertime. Summertime sadness. Got that summertime. Summertime sadness. Whoa. Whoa. She wakes up early every morning just to do her hair now because she cares, yeah.
Welcome to the live. We'll be starting here very soon, guys. Let me know what you think of Bitcoin. What the hell was going on with that today? What's up, Rashad? Did you do any good today? Doing good, buddy. Doing good. How's your trading been? Hey, let me know if you hear me. Put a 1 in the comments. What's up, Jesse? thanks for coming to the live. I think it's your first time, huh? Coming here. Doing a prop firm challenge, trying to what do you call it? Trying to complete them. Hopefully I can get it. I shorted Bitcoin at the wrong time on this one. I shorted it at 92, trying to get 93. So I'm down $193. But hopefully, I think it's going to come down to 92 too, and I'm going to get out. But so this prop firm, I'm in the shitter. This one I haven't traded yet, so I've got two I'm going to try to pass. Yeah, everybody's getting ready for bed, man. It's late. It's 9:46 here in America. Damn, yeah, you need to get your ass to bed, Jesse and Rashad. I appreciate you guys coming. But before you go night-night, hit the like button. But the only thing with the prop firms, man, they only give you the big tokens to trade. So I'm going to look for something through here and trade. Try to scalp. The sushi, XRP, Jasmine, all this stuff. This is what I'm going to go after here. XRP was doing pretty good today. Did a nice little run. Much appreciated, Jesse. But I honestly think we're going to get a nice little drop, probably at around 92.5 or so. So I might be shorting some stuff here, but I'm going to wait. But right now it's a downward poopy. So take my time, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to rush. And then I'm going to get upside down in something. Kind of like I did on this one, but it's getting closer. But trading with 10 grand. So I can make some quick profits. If I pass this, then I can go live. Then I kick some ass. Make some big trades, big money. Yeah, just that's what I'm shooting for, around 92.3, 92.5. Because on this one, I got in around 92.5. So if it goes to 92.3 or below that, I'm gonna get out because I kind of jumped the gun on that one. I was not expecting Bitcoin to take off like that. So they were trying to get all the shorts this morning, I guess. But I guess I had to hold that one for a long roll, and then this one here I'll just scalp. Thank you, Jess. Stopping by. Appreciate it, man. Good night, buddy. Hey, all set. Tell JR I don't need no sympathy, viewers. Good night, Jesse. See you tomorrow. Yeah, all set. I'm just doing prop firm challenges. I've got 2 10Ks I'm trying to pass. This one I got a little trouble. This one I haven't even started yet, so waiting. Might be shorting some stuff tonight. bet you JR is lurking somewhere in another live video somewhere. I guarantee I can find his ass. Let's see if we can find him. Hold on. We are on the hunt to find JR. Let's see if we can find him. Actually, who is on the night that I think he would go after? Nope, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope. Damn, I don't see anybody do any lives tonight. A hunt for JR. Let's check out some of these. See if there's anybody. Oh, he's lucky, buddy. Yeah. Hunt the Canadian beaver. He got lucky. I can't find his ass. I know the people he watches. I was going to get in there and give him some shit. I think I'm going to go short something. Hold on. I'm going to find something short. I'm gonna short XRP since it's been on a run. This thing falls, it falls. Come on. Bitch, it's gonna miss it. Alright, let's see if we can. Oh, I must have took it. Hold on, let me refresh it. Oh, I'm in. That's why I didn't take it. Alright. Now drop, motherfucker. Alright, we got a short on XRP. See what happens. If Bitcoin does what I think it's going to do, it's going to push all these down. So, we'll see. Try to cap out with, try to get out with $100 or so. Short in XRP. As you can see, let's see what happens. If you come here for TA, you're not going to get it. I'm a scalper. I don't care about all that TA, Fibonacci, freaking tentacle shit everywhere. I just trade the Bollinger Band with the RSI, with a doji. I went right here because the RSI was low or kind of high. With the market going down, here's the doji confirmation. I jumped in, so we'll see what happens. So I'm not a TA guy. I don't draw all that shit on the screen. Shit'll give you seizures. And then reading all that, by the time you read all that, then you can't get in a position. So, yeah, that's why I don't do it. My job is to get in and get out, scalp a little bit of moolah. If you pop in here for more than 1 second, please leave a like. You don't have to stay, just like it. Muhaha. What's up, buddy? Thanks for stopping by. Short XRP, and I shorted Bitcoin, but I shorted Bitcoin yesterday, so I kind of got stuck in it. So, hey, what's up, Luxury Gaming? How you doing? I short XRP, so hopefully the market drops. I can get me try to make me 100 on this. We'll see. We just need a little dump. I think we're gonna dump tonight. I'm not saying tonight, but a little bit. Say around 92.5, around there. This is the one I got stuck in, so which sucks. Let's see what the 5-minute brings us. Hopefully it breaks this moving average so we can see it'll head down lower. Let me see if what everything's going on right now.
Are you the kind of person who knows things? Things like you can get a domain from Squarespace, not just a website? Well, now you are that person, because now you definitely know you can get a domain from
Well, I got wrecked today, this morning. I made good profits yesterday. I think I made like 500 yesterday. And then Bitcoin took about 300 from me. So still up 200. That's on my my money account, but we're doing prop trade firms. I usually trade during daytime with my real money, but this is all prop firm tonight. If you look, they only give you a certain amount of coins. I mean, you get a lot of coins. There's over 100 coins, but it's like the big coins. You know, you can't do the wild coins I like, so I'm stuck with the bigger coins. But we still make good money using these guys. So, holy shit, JR is in finally. Oh, you can't hear me? How about that? Is that better? Or is the music too loud? I can turn that down. How about this? Let me know when it's good. Put 1 if it sounds good. Testes 1 2. Testes 1 2. Hey, what's up, buddy? Thanks for coming along, man. No name. Yeah, DGen. Who you are? Yeah. Hell yeah. I'm just trying to scalp some XRP on a prop challenge. I got stuck in this one. So this one I got stuck in it, so it's gonna be a while. Hopefully it can drop past the 92.5 for me to get out. And then I'm gonna try to short XRP. I think it's gonna go down a little bit. I think it's gonna retest this bottom here. So we'll see. We will see. But it's $10,000, so if I pass this, I'll be able to use that money. So it's going to be a wait now. That's it. Damn, JR, I caught the end of your stream. Every time I get home from work, I get stuck and then try to jump in while I'm at work and listen. But, yep, finally got in. But soon I'll be able to hit your beginning because I'm changing my schedule at work. Yeah, but what was up with freaking Bitcoin running like that, dude? I was not expecting that. I thought it was going to do like 94 and drop. Or 92 and drop. That's why I got in. And that thing just started ripping. But there's a bunch of liquidity down around the 92.2s, 9200s. See if the market maker pushes it down, but I see that the 94.5s is starting to build up 94.7s. We'll see. I'm just waiting for this thing to drop, but I have it might drop down to the 93 250s here tonight, so that's what I'm hoping for, and then I can get out of this position. Because you can't do 5 on the prop firms. You can't do. You got 5%. Like right here, I'll show you. Give me a minute. 5% down for the day, or if you hit 10% for the whole time you're trading this part, you fail. So 5% daily or 10% you will fail. So you try to keep it 1 to 2% loss, and then you get out if you can. Like this one here, I'm 5%. So if they were to take this, I would fail this. But you have 24 hours. So I started this last night at midnight, like 1 o'clock. So I got to 1 o'clock to bring this average down. So this gets below 5 and it gets close to 1, I'll close it, and then it'll reset for the next day. But this one here, I just started today. Yeah, that's the only thing with the prop firms. Like, for example, down here, it says you can use 1 to 5x leverage, trading periods unlimited. Maximum daily loss is $400, and maximum loss is $600. So per day, if you go over 400, if you go over $401 in one day on a loss, you fail, and the maximum loss is $600. So if you hit 600, you fail. But my profit target to pass is 1,000, so I have nothing right now. I just started this one. I was close on this next one, on this one, but then Bitcoin ran like a son of a bitch and got me stuck. So I got stuck. The XRP usually doesn't run pretty hard, but man, it's been, well, Bitcoin's running, so this would run. So hopefully Bitcoin comes crashing down. I can get out. So the prop firm does teach you, whatchamacallits, a strategy to where you're not just going aping in all your money and losing it. So it kind of tells you, once this gets to 5%, I need to get out so I don't get over my threshold. But once you hit the 5%, you have to keep it under. You have to wait for the next day to continue trading once it resets. It's the only thing that sucks about it, but once you go to live, then you don't have to worry about that no more. You still got to worry about the 5 and 10% because it will cut you off at 5%, but you don't lose your account. So, which is good. So I'm hoping I don't lose this account. I've got 2, so.
smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. But every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for another millionaire. I wanna be a billionaire. So fucking bad. I wanna be a billionaire, so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. But every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shining lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for another millionaire. For another billionaire. I wanna be a billionaire. So fucking bad. For another billionaire. For another billionaire.
Yeah, you got to be careful of bonk, man. Bonk runs hard when Bitcoin runs. So you can get stopped out quick on this. So you got to wait till Bitcoin starts to curl down. So right now Bitcoin's aiming up, so bonk's going to probably do some a little bit of running. Hey, what's up, Melissa? Thanks for stopping by. So you got to watch old bonk. If it doesn't hit this, it might. Let me see what the 5-minute is. Yeah, see, bonk's already tested this level a few times. Yeah, 3 times. Look at that. 3 times it tested. If it don't tap this, we're going down. But I don't like how this Bollinger bands are running. That's a red doji, so we're coming down. So yeah, this is gonna be a tricky night, guys, to trade all this stuff. It's gonna be tricky. I don't know what to do anymore. Because Bitcoin starts running again tomorrow. All this stuff's gonna pump up even more. But I have a feeling it's got a liquidity above is not very great, so they're gonna try to take down around 93 and below. Oh, that's good. Good job, Rashad. Yeah, with bonk, you're gonna have to get in and out quick. What you getting into, Melissa?
She sips the Coca-Cola.
Yeah, I'm doing a prop firm challenge, so I can't scalp those ones like that. I can only scalp what they give me, which is I got 100 tokens, but it's all the big stuff, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sol, you know, Solana, stuff like that. So, um, I scalp in the XRP for a little bit of a dump. If I can squeeze out $50 or so, I'll be happy. But I just need Bitcoin to stop farting around. Look at that. It's annoying. But I'm gonna try. Yeah, I might. Bonk would be a good scalp, Rashad. But man, you're gonna have to watch that thing carefully, because if Bitcoin just does a little crappy pump, I mean, it's you're out pretty quick. Yeah, Sol's good to trade. Sol's been predictable. Let me see what it's doing now. Welcome to the stream, guys. If you like what I do, hit the like and subscribe. But I don't do a lot of TA, guys. I'm a scalper, so I just look for these kind of movements, and I'm in and out, in and out, in and out. So right now I'm stuck in one Bitcoin, so I'm down pretty good. And then just shorted XRP, which not down pretty much. I just started it, so trying to scalp for 20 to 50 bucks real quick. Try to get out within 5-10 minutes if we can. Yeah, but Sol is predictable too. If Bitcoin goes up, so does the Sol. So I'm waiting for the downtrend to the 92.5s, 92.8s, or not, you know. But I don't know if it's gonna do that tonight. Might do it tomorrow. Yeah, good. Just keep an eye on it, man, because it can get away from you pretty quick. I've been upside down in a few real fast because I ain't paying attention. Yeah, so I could, if it doesn't break this top area 138, I'll take a short down to 136. It's gonna be a slow night, but I think we'll be okay. We'll be okay. I just need him to settle down. I need Bitcoin to settle down, because I am in the hole at 231. Whew. This one I'm $20 in the hole. I'm just waiting for that huge red candle. Boom, boom, boom. How many times I've missed that? Oh, sorry, this is Sol. I'm down 17 on XRP, trying to sort it.
Then the sale of all assets will go down. Business slows down. Recession, less oil is used.
All right, let's see. Let me see. Let me try it. If it could touch that and don't break, then I'm going to short it. I'll short it down to this box here. I'll short it to that bad boy. Hit there, boom. We'll see. See what it looks like when we get up here. If it gets to this level and Bitcoin's still doing this crap right here, then I will stay out of it. So everything depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. Yeah, like I said, it's tough work. this shit's hard when, especially when Bitcoin runs like this. It's so freaking hard to keep this momentum going. Yeah, but yeah, this market's hard to get the shit going, man. It's like so unpredictable. When it's running up like that, you can make some awesome trades. It's usually that's when I make good money, is when crypto's running. But then once crypto does what it's doing here, it's so hard to trade because you can get stuck in trades real easy. Unpredictable. When it's running up like that, you can make some awesome. So like I said, if we can get 10 plus people on a regular basis, I'll start doing some money giveaways and some other stuff. Refresh this. Start giving away some money for every trade that I land successfully. You see them. But Bitcoin keeps doing this. I'm going to be stuck in both these trades. This is Solana. Slow grind up, but I don't understand why it's grinding up when not much liquidity going on up there. If it breaks that 97.8 and holds it, then the next area would be 94. 94.5, where it was this morning. Yeah, it was good to short back here. But right now I wouldn't short it. It's doing the sideways trade, so it's gonna have to do something here soon, but I think it's gonna eventually work its way down because there's huge liquidity around 92 and below, a lot of it. So, but there's a lot trickling down the whole way down, so, but not much above. I think Sol's going to trade just like the market or Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin starts to drop, Sol will start to drop, and then you could short both and come out pretty good. Like all these tokens right here, you click the 24-hour change. This one's Sushi, Xpre, Jasmine, Bonk. All these guys will start to drop too, big time. Because usually these run up pretty good. And that's what I look for. I see Bitcoin start to fall. You could jump in all those little alts like that and make some good money. But right now, Bitcoin is consolidating sideways. These are nice levels to trade in. Right here, you could have made a trade from here to here, took a short down, and then this trade up to, it might, I don't know where it's going to touch. It might hit 94, but now these are curving in, so it might be headed down. But so unpredictable, man. You can get caught up quick, and if you don't sell out, get back in. This one I should have put a stop loss, and I didn't, like a dummy, because then Bitcoin started epic run this morning, and I'm like, man, I got stuck in it. So I got to get out here by by 1 o'clock, or this one's gonna fail. I definitely don't want to fail this because I've had this account for a little bit. So let's go. Yeah, this is gonna take a while, man. It's gonna be a slow night. That's why I like doing these slow nights, man. You don't get wrecked as fast. You can get out pretty quick. So, let's wait and see. Chill out. Be right back. Yeah, if you come here for TA, this ain't the place. I don't do TA. I just do the price movement. That's how I trade. I look at the bars and bands with the RSI, with another indicator called the Doji. I hold the positions as long as it stays above this white line, this moving average line. And then I get out at the tops of the RSI. So, for example, this one here, I would have got into the trade here and sold up here. And you could have shorted up here and come down. That would have been a nice little trade for you. What I bought here, yeah, I would have bought here, sold at the top of this RSI. So that's pretty much all I do. And you can make good money doing this. I've turned $100 to $1,000 3-4 times already. So now I'm going to the prop firm so I can pass this and I will be able to play with 10 grand. Hopefully. Looks like we're getting a little break on XRP. Just need to keep going. I figured it'll retest this 236 area. Hopefully. Yeah, Rashad, I'm going to use this 10 grand here for scalping, and then this other one for swing trades. See which one I can do better, quicker. Who's quicker? They'll have a contest between the two. But I kind of messed up on the Bitcoin trade, so I should have freaking waited. And I knew to wait, but I got a little antsy. So I got stuck in a position. So, but I think we'll be all right. Hopefully. I swear I was looking good and XRP had to go and do this shit. Oh, it's because Bitcoin. Son of a bitch. Come on, Bitcoin. Will you fall one of these freaking days? That's all we need. But if I don't get this one back to 5%, I'm going to lose this account. This one's 15 grand. So, Bitcoin's got to come down to 92.5 just for me to get back to normal. But right now, just consolidating, so I'm gonna get screwed if the thing doesn't get going. What's up, Jay Violet? Welcome, welcome. Nice to see you here. Yeah, I think Bitcoin in the long run can go to 73K, but I think it's going to take a lot to go down to there. So I would say the bottom would probably be like 88, 90K, but I mean it would take a lot for it to go down there, man. Something drastic would have to happen. Look like the Bollinger Bands are headed down, so we're in good shape. If the Bollinger Bands continue going this way. You're always working, Jay Violet. You work when I'm sleeping, and when I'm sleeping, you're working. Is the Hong Kong market open now or no? I don't know if you know that. I'm just asking. Yeah, I know we catch each other for like a couple hours and then it's night. A couple hours, good morning, good night. It's like back and forth. Is it Hong Kong or Japan? I think it's Hong Kong, Japan, whatever. One of those guys. Yeah, I just saw someone say the Asian market's going nuts right now. I don't understand what it means by that. Down or up or what? Oh yeah, now they're pushing Bitcoin up. It is Rashad, but they got to drop Bitcoin for them to pump the altcoins. If Bitcoin's running, altcoins ain't going to do much. So we need this right here to head down, and then it'll push the altcoins up. But for right now, as long as Bitcoin's trading sideways, altcoins will do the same. They ain't going to do nothing. It'll be stagnant until Bitcoin does something. So hopefully the Asian market drops this sucker. I honestly believe the market makers are trying to harvest the shorts positions. They're just trying to eat it up until people stop freaking shorting this stupid market. Yeah, I heard gold was falling though. Was it crashing today or something? I heard it was going down pretty good. You know, metals did good for a while. I think they started coming back today. I heard they were falling, but I haven't checked on it yet. But yeah, bonk's flying because of Bitcoin's flying. If Bitcoin runs, bonk will run. So bonk follows Bitcoin pretty close, but the only difference is when Bitcoin drops, bonk will drop double time. So you got to be careful. Short and bonk or going long on bonk. As long as if Bitcoin's going to keep running like this up on this angle here, bonk will do good. So if you got in long on bonk, you'd make good money. But you make that one fucking drop, hard drop, you can get liquidated quick. Yo, Hart, thanks, man. Thanks for stopping by. It's all good, brother. As long as you stop by, say hi, I'm good. I'm just trading the prop firm stuff. That's it. It's boring, but I'm going to try to pass these. So, yeah, Jay Violet, don't be texting and driving, woman. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, Hart. Appreciate it. Just, if you dip, hit the like. Yeah, I'm just scalping XRP and then shorting Bitcoin, but I think I'm going to get stopped down on Bitcoin, though, because I'm $200 some in, and it's over my limit. So if they refresh this, I can be stomped out. But I still got this other one to mess with. So if Bitcoin continues this run, I'm going to be down some moolah. So far it's starting to head up, man. This is retarded, man. Watch, as soon as I go to buy Bitcoin or something that follows Bitcoin, this thing will drop like a freaking rock, and I'll be stuck in again. So I'm good. I'm going to stay out. Just keep shorting XRP. Hopefully it'll make me some money. See what the 5 minutes doing. Sideways movement. All right, buddy. I'll see you. I'll probably head over there here soon. If this stuff ain't doing nothing, I'll get off of here too. I'll meet you over there. I like watching Road Dogg. He's pretty cool. He's got some good TA. I usually go over there and watch him every now and then. This Bitcoin shit is pissing me off, dude. It needs to stop messing around. Let's see what we got here. Let's refresh. Still hanging on. All right, jumping along on Bonk. As long as it goes up. Hold on, actually, we're going to listen to some Raw Dog while we wait. Hold on. Let me turn him on.
Wing failure pattern idea. Is she coming on down or is she trying to do something? Oh my gosh! A little bit of a retracement. She needs to. That would be the healthy
This is
move.
him right
It
here.
did make a higher high, man, and what we were talking about and towards the end, and hopefully mentioning what had to happen when we were catching over here on this big ass trend line, which knock on wood that happened. We needed that, and when we were finally knocking out these highs, the statement was, we got to take this guy out. Anything less than that is failure. Not taking out this guy. Anything less is failure. Remember that? And we did barely. All right. And that's a little shaky. So I hope that we're going to do a little bit more out of this. And this is just, a little bit of the pullback rather than the correction. But who knows, man? Technically, it did what it needs to do. But technically, a lot of times when it does just the bare minimum to count, sometimes that pullback can be kind of brutal. So I would really like to actually see it get a little bit more traction and come up to some of these other higher areas over here. I would really like to see it just respect the hell out of this trend line that I'm going to draw up there that looks crazy as hell, and start going up above 100,000. But hey, man, you got to have something to dream about, right? I want to take some of these labels off here, because what are labels other than just little boxes that we put people in? No more labels. If you don't know your pronouns, you went to the wrong grade scale. I'm just saying. We're being stupid. We're being silly out here. All right. So what I would like to do is, and zoom out. I know. It doesn't fit with the degen mindset, but zooming out is kind of cool. Oh, look, big ass trend line. We're respecting getting above that we needed to hold, and we did. I'm on the daily. 360 moving average, or 660 moving average, that little Lucy line right there, the little devil girl, bouncing off of her.
Yeah, so pretty much, yeah, that's what I went with. So hopefully this will work out. But look at Bitcoin falling now. I told you as soon as I get in, freaking Bitcoin will drop. Freaking kills me every time. But it's good. I want it to drop. If they continue to drop, I'll have to get out of bonk. 'Cause I ain't trying to get stuck in bonk either. You definitely want to get stuck in something, then you're stuck in it for days. And with the prop firm, you don't want to be stuck for days, because then you're going to be below 5%. And then your prop firm is goodbye. This is a nice. This is a considered an uptrend on bonk, but the resistance is fucking killing me. Bitcoin breaks that, and then we're gonna no-go straight down, and then I'll have to get out of bonk position. I'll have to close it. We'll see what happens here. If it keeps going down, I'm gonna have to close it. Looks like the fear index is going down, so we'll push Bitcoin down. But I don't use the fear index for my positions. I just a good sign to see which direction it is going. Look at I'm short in one, going long on another. Come on, Bitcoin. I don't have any favorites. Yeah, right now it's still trading sideways. Might have to get out of bonk, man. Get bonk to pump a little bit. Yeah, right now, Rashad, it's just trading sideways. It's nothing doing crazy, but it's got to make up its mind here what it's going to do. So, I just need to come down to my 92. This is where I need to go to. Look at that. 92.5 just to break even. Ugh, got the long way down. But I've seen Bitcoin do it in a matter of hours. So, I have a feeling Bitcoin's going to go down to those levels, 92.5 and below, as soon as the market makers keep taking out the shorts, because people keep trying to short it, and they keep pushing to eat the shorts. So, just gotta wait and see, man. Yes, trading prop firms, guys. I got a 15,000 and I've got a 10,000. Trying to pass these, and then once I pass them, stage 2, I'll be able to start taking draws. And then once I start taking draws, I'm gonna start giving it away to people. So it'll be awesome. Yeah, the dominance is coming down. If it breaks that dominance line that I'm looking at, this is going to be a nice, it'll start to fall. I just closed Bonk for $48. And I closed, I shorted Bitcoin earlier for $60. So $108 trade for today. So there we go. So I'll jump in Bonk again once it takes a nice little dip. So $48 on the Bonk. What is this? Oh yeah. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Yeah, if we can continue this plan, XRP will go down too. If it breaks this bottom Bollinger Band, dude, we're going to be headed down to the next level, which is 273 or 237. Sorry, 237. Yeah. I'll keep my eye on Bonk. You probably short Bonk because I think Bonk will go down. I think I'm gonna try like a $500 Bonk short. I'll do a quick getting in and out of this one. That doji is a down symbol. So you should have at least 2 or 3 of these reds, and I'm getting out. This little X in the fast close. Wait for a nice little drop. See what Bitcoin's doing. Biscuit. $20, I'll get out. We can get it to this level, that'd be nice. Or half of this. I'll get out, I'll see if I can hold to this level here. If I can keep an eye on Bitcoin, let me get a chart on Bitcoin up here. Let me go to a different chart. Let's go to this one here. Alright, got a chart on Bitcoin here. Looks like it's going down. It's got higher highs and lower lows, so we're gonna be good. Hopefully we'll be good. I get a nice little mini crash, and this one will dump hard. That's what we're looking for. We want the little dumpy dumps. I only went with $500 on this one instead of $1,000. So see if we can get it. If we can get this down to the halfway mark, that'd be another 50, 60 bucks around here, I think, my guess. Breaks that Bollinger Band will be good. Let's see what the 5 minutes looks like. Oh, I got ways to go in the 5 minutes. As long as Bitcoin keeps down. See where Bitcoin's at. Oh yeah, we're going down. I think I might hold this a little bit longer. It's XRP's going. Bonk's going. Shitty doji. Looks like we're still aiming down. A couple more of those will be good. Let's check XRP. That's a shitty doji. We're coming down. Oh, as long as it stays that, we're good. There it goes. Flips the red. You guys learn the dojis, man, what to look for. Like, for example, if you see this, you got red, you see the little doji, boom. You look at every one of these pumps, there's a doji somewhere. There's another one, boom. And that's what we're looking for. Yeah, this is dropping now. Bitcoin's dropping, so we're good. XRP doing? I've got $1,000 on this play. Only 5x. Can't go any higher than that.
Why you always in the mood? Baby, I'm better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Baby, I'm feeling better with a view. Why you always in the mood?
We just get more red on Bitcoin. We'll be good, man.
Baby, I'm feeling better with a view. I can never get attached when I start to feel unattached. Somehow always end up feeling bad. Baby, I'm not your dad. It's not all you want from me. I just want your company.
This is a downtrend, so hopefully this continues. Do it. Hopefully these bend down, so this all goes downtrend. So keep an eye on Bonk, because Bonk's gonna be our winner. Oh shit. Oh man. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything better with a view. Why you always in the mood? I hate when that shit slips. Baby, I ain't better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Baby, I ain't better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Baby, I ain't better with a view. So why you trying to figure love on the regular when you could be blowing up just on my cellular? I won't ever let a shawty go and set me up. Only thing I need to know is if you had enough. I'm talking slick back, kick back, gang sipping 40s. You keep playing out another day to your shawty. Mismatch fits, that was way before you know me. Got a lot of love, well you better save it for me. We play games of love to avoid the depression. We've been here before and I won't be a victim. Why you always in the mood? Fucking around, it's brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Fucking around, it's brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Baby, I ain't better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Baby, I ain't better with a view. Baby, I ain't better with a view. Why you always in the mood? What does? What happens for you, buddy? Sorry, I was trying to fix all that. Every time you come around, you know I come on, Bitcoin. Every time the sun goes come down. I let you take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight I something wonderful. My XRP is killing me. This might be a little bit longer hold than I expected. Getting a lot of reds or a lot of sell orders. I just want a good freaking drop on Bonk. And that'll be good. Go. Shaw, what time is it there? Better be going to bed, boy. Come on, get going. Man, you better go to bed. Oh, it's morning there. Oh, I thought it was 3 o'clock your time. Oh, that was the other guy. Jesse was 3 o'clock.